Hello kids, how are you? I hope all you are fine. Tomorrow we are doing vowel and consonant. Today we are doing sound of vowel. First letter is A. A. Sound of vowel A. Look the picture and read loud. What is this? This is cat. C-A-T, cat. What is this? Cat. Sound of vowel is A. Cat. This is hat. H-A-T, hat. What is this? Hat. This is cap. C-A-P, cap. What is this? Cap. What is this? Map. M-A-P, map. क्या है ये? इंडिया का मैप. What is this? Map. What is this? Van. V-A-N, van. V-A-N, van. Fan. F-A-N, fan. F-A-N, fan. Nail. N-A-I-L, nail. N-A-I-L, nail. What is this? Tail. T-A-I-L, tail. What is this? Tail. What is this? Ball. B-A-double-L. B-A-double-L, ball. What is this? Wall. W-A-double-L, wall. W-A-double-L, wall. Sound of vowel. First letter A. Fat. Rat. Bat. Mat. Pat. A-Y वाले words day. Tay, say, way, may. These are all words which has last word all. Tall, mole, coal, fall, hole. Bad, dad, lad, mad, said. A-I-N, first letter A. Vowel, first letter A. Pain, gain, rain, main, vain. A-R-K, A-R-K come last. First letter dark, bark, mark, shark, park. Today we are doing sound of vowel. First letter A. Again revise these pictures. Cat, hat, cap, map, van, fan, nail, tail, ball, wall. You can write all these letters in your notebook and revise. Thank you.